back to Charity Farms. My name is Teresa, but you can call me T. Today I'm actually going to show you how to make carrot cake muffins. I make them because David loves carrot cake, but we don't want to waste all that food. We are really trying to limit ourselves on how much sweets we take. So making the carrot cake muffin actually helps us reduce how much we're eating. We know how much it is, and it's easier to share with the entire family. I don't show how to make the frosting in this because the muffin itself is sweet enough. You don't need any extra frosting. But if you want to add frosting, probably about, I would say, a half cup of powdered sugar with 2 or 3 tablespoons of milk. Mix it really well, and that's your icing. I might show how to do a cream cheese icing a little later down the road, but we're not there yet. Anyways, this is a short video of how to actually make carrot cake muffins, which is really good for on the road trips if you also want to do a road trip with your family. I hope that you enjoy this video. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius. You will need 3 cups of shredded carrots for this recipe. That would roughly be about 5 to 7 carrot sticks. You can either buy them pre-shredded or whole and shred them yourselves. Next, you will need 2 separate bowls, one for the dry ingredients and the other for the wet ingredients. You will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, half teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. In another bowl, combine 1.5 cups of unsweetened applesauce, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 4 eggs. You can substitute the brown sugar with 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 tablespoon of molasses. Mix all the wet ingredients until well combined. Mix all the dry ingredients until well combined, then slowly add them to the wet ingredients. Fold in 3 cups of shredded carrots. Add a half cup of mix into each muffin tin. Place in the oven at 350 degrees or 176 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes until the toothpick comes out clean. Doesn't that look yummy? It was delicious and very delightful to actually have. I hope you give this recipe a try, and until next time, I bless you. Bye.